Many times I think that I should be making videos on the way we memorize words. Whenever we start learning any language, then we start learning too many words. Even I was also like that. I was learning. There was a time that I had somebody gave me a long list of synonyms and antonyms, and then I started memorizing it like anything, and I did memorize many. And then later on, I realized that most of the words are not even useful. You can just if you have to go through any competition, then only it will be helpful, otherwise it's not going to help you. So I'm not saying that you don't memorize words. I'm just saying is that if we learn one word and that word means everything about that word, the word in its totality, then it is more helpful, beneficial. Or if we are learning so many words but not sure of even one of them, what do you think? Most of the time we know the meaning because we tend to memorize so many words, and that's why when we read something we are, very quickly we are going to understand that. And but when it comes to speaking, we don't know actually how to use that particular word. Even sometimes we don't know how to pronounce that word. We just know the meaning. And Sometimes it also happens that we learn the meaning in our native language, and we cannot do in English. So this is also one problem. So you will realize later on that you do know the word but you don't know actually. So this is this is something which is more dangerous, because when you know that you know words and still you are not able to use it properly, then you feel like devastated. You think that I have learned word, why am I not able to make it? So this is the main problem. So I'll say, out of my experience, that make sure that whenever you learn a word, uh, please learn that particular word in its totality. There is no rush. You take your time, because if you learn 5,000 words and with no clarity, with no surety, so you will end up being a very awful speaker. Trust me. So that's all for this video.